Om Shanti. Good evening, everyone. Hope you are enjoying your weekend, right? And today here also you will enjoy and experience the peace. Welcome to Shanti Sarovar again. Brahma Kumari's organization also serves the world through different wings to actually focus on different group of people. So it has more than 20 wings like IT wing, educational wing, sports wing, business wing, etc. So, the services are given in different fields and different people through these wings. So, in Shanti Sarovar, we offer many different programs, and Sunday evening talk is one of the regular feature of Shanti Sarovar, along with many others. Like we have Bal Vrindavan every Sunday for kids. So if you have kids, you can bring them here. Don't leave them behind home. So you can bring and they can also attend the sessions. So for today, do you know what is the topic? Today's topic?
Yes, Ugadi.
Yeah, so we have Ugadi on 9th of April. So today's topic is significance of Ugadi. So it is Yug Adi, that means the beginning of a new era, right? So we celebrate this as a new year in Andhra Pradesh and many other different regions also. So for today's talk, we have Sister Anjali with us. So I would like to welcome her onto the stage with a round of applause. So Sister Anjali is a senior Raj Yoga teacher, motivational speaker, and corporate trainer. As I spoke about different wings, right? So she coordinates the IT wing and the educational wing of Hyderabad. And she dedicated her life for the worldly service in 1993. So it has been more than 40 years now that she has been into this knowledge and serving the world. Okay. She has also given many talk programs on TV, radio, and different other social platforms. She has also conducted lectures at various government institutes, many industries, and the bank training centers. She was one of the coordinator, or she was the coordinator for value-based educational projects with Government of Andhra Pradesh. And in that program, around 3,000 government teachers were trained. If we talk about her educational background, she has done the BTech in chemical engineering. So she also participates and gives her services in the scientific wing RERF of Brahma Kumaris. So now we will take the advantage of her being here with us today and her experience. And now we will listen from Anjali sister, the significance of Ugadi. Over to you, sister. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, and welcome all of you. And in advance, happy Ugadi. Now we are just, I think, 2 days away from from celebrating the festival. And mostly in the Brahma Kumaris, what we do is 2 days before or 3 days before, we looking at a weekend, we arrange, especially with respect to the festival, a talk to give a different angle to whatever celebration we are doing, and mainly to make people understand and become aware and enlighten on the spiritual significance of the festivals. If not, in every festival we do the same thing. Now we make the prasad, we all have something nice, we wear new clothes, not every festival, but some festivals. We visit the temples. This is a common feature, or this is what we do. But then we call it different festivals. So all the festivals have different stories. And I don't think there is any religion in which there are so many festivals like the Hindus have. So many festivals. And it is said that in 365 days of the year, there are more number of festivals than the number of days. So every day is a festival. Na? In Hindi, a festival is called as Tyohar or Utsav. So Utsav actually means Utsav क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? उत्साह में रहने के लिए. Every celebration is to keep us enthusiastic. But in this very, very fast moving world, sometimes rather than enthusiasm, there is tension. Kyunki lifestyles have changed a lot, is it not? And in a cosmopolitan setup, getting even those, abhi Ugadi hai na, Ugadi is coming, so even getting those flowers of the neem tree also becomes difficult, because that's a very important ingredient of the pachadi. Na? So even getting that becomes difficult. Then the leaves, mango leaves. So, see, now when you look at the festival, it is such a beautiful thing, I don't know how our elders have really got these ideas. See, in every festival, there is a great connection between the local scenario, local food which is grown, the farming and all that. And also it is connected to the astronomical context is there. And it all looks so beautiful. And with, for example, with Ugadi, we say the spring starts. Na? But actually, I was today saying, kaha? Nature. So nicely connected with nature and then again our health. So beautifully, so beautiful. There are so many factors which are ingrained. But what has happened is, in a very, very hectic lifestyle, we all look for shortcuts. अभी कौन इतना पूरा to undergo all the procedure is so difficult. Secondly, we are not understanding why we have to do those procedures, most of us. And therefore then we start looking for the shortcuts. And I heard somewhere, but I don't know how true I am, that when somebody even dies, what we do is we have that lamp, right? We light that lamp. And अभी घर में लोग कम है, पहले बहुत लोग होते थे, तो the lamp was taken care of, that it should not go off and it should keep on burning. अभी लोग नहीं है घर में, तो they said नहीं, zero bulb लगा कर रख देते हैं. No people, but the ritual has to be done. So somehow जुगाड़, Indians are very jugadu. So we find out some procedure and we are doing it. But then we are not trying to understand why exactly the lamp is to be lit. That is the soul which has left the body already, require that light. Then will the physical light help the spiritual soul on its journey further? Is it not? So such many questions are there, and nowadays what happens? The youth, they ask these questions to the previous generation, and they are not able to get proper answers, and so they will say, ये आप करो, हमको नहीं करना है करके. Once, just few days back, a parent had come and he was saying that, sister, please teach my son meditation. And I said, okay, I can. And he's not, son is around teens, in his teens, just 20, I think now. Then he said, but there is one problem. Presently, my son is not believing in God. I said, why? He said, there was an exam in the college and the paper was leaked. And students around, some of them, they got that paper, they wrote the exam. But this boy, in spite of knowing that the paper has leaked, he did not take the paper. And honestly, he wrote the exam, so he got less marks. And his friends got more marks. And so he is very angry that why did God leak out the paper? And why is it that that is a wrong thing they have done, but they got more marks? And therefore, so his logic says, where is God? So now he is in a big question. He says, no temples. If not earlier, his father said, my boy is like Rama. But now he is going to the Ravana side. Because the parent is not able to make him understand. The parent himself is confused. What God does and what God does not do. And let me tell you, in the Brahma Kumaris, we give this question. Our sister was just telling you about the meditation classes which we conduct here. And in these we clarify not simply what God does, but what God does not do. No, because we say, Bhagwan Sarva Shaktivan hai. So if he is almighty means we think if somebody is dead, he should bring him to life again. Acha, then in the discourse which goes on, in that the question was asked, okay, God brings back somebody to life, but isn't he going to die sometime again? Is it not? He is definitely going to die. He cannot defy death. Death cannot be defied. And so his time has come then, and therefore he died. So, do you want to show that God is powerful means he is going to break the rules? Many a times our, the intellect, which is not a pure intellect. Powerful person means breaking of rules. नहीं? अरे भैया गाड़ी ले नहीं जाना, you are not 18, don't take the two-wheeler. अरे मम्मी don't worry, I will tell that so and so is my relative. So power is to break rules. See, that is the connection which we are having, and therefore God means all powerful means he should break all the rules for my sake. In my personal interest. That is how we sometimes define God, or that is what God should be doing. And so such all things, questions which may be there in you or may not be there, or maybe sometimes we hesitate to ask. Sometimes we feel, this is against some ritual which has been coming down generations and generations. How should I question it? And then we go on and on and on. But the purity associated with the ritual, which is called spiritual, that over a period of time, it slowly is not there. And at one point of time, the spiritual sense is totally lost. It becomes a mere ritual, which is physically done without any meaning. We sometimes feel it to be meaningless also, but bhayam, what will God think? Like a boss का डर लगता है ना, ऐसे इधर भगवान का भी डर लगता है. Why? Because we don't properly understand, or our connection with him, that makes us say, जाने दो, let me do whatever is to be done. If not, something may happen to my family members, to my business, to this, that. उसको खुश रखने के लिए जो भी करने के लिए कहो, पुजारी कहता है 25,000, ये 1,000, पैकेजेस, आजकल तो पैकेजेस है सब कुछ. And so we give away money in that sense, but whatever he makes us do, how many of us understand a word of what is going on? He says, अभी पानी छोड़ो, हम छोड़ देते. अभी ये फूल लगाओ, अभी ऐसा करो, repeat what I am saying. We are going towards AI, but we don't even know the meaning of whatever he is saying, and we are repeating it, but we don't know what it is. And that is where, Brahma Kumaris, we are trying to play a role, trying to make people aware of what the ritual actually means, what is the sense of the ritual. And the ritual might have started with one sense, and over a period of time things change, right? And so what happens? No, you have to also slowly change the sense of it. But because we are so, we do not have that knowledge, right? So we think it has to be continued in the same way. So now when it comes to this festival of, we generally call it Ugadi, but all of you know, mostly now we have lot of information. You will have more information than me. Go to the Google Baba. There is one Baba with all of us, na? Google Baba. And he tells all the stories associated with that festival, all the rituals which are practiced, and what all are the contents of the pachadi. The pachadi is different at different places. Now Telangana has different, Andhra will have different names of the same festival, but the different names. Okay. So I'll just take a minute or two, because I jotted down and I did my homework. Two names I know. One is Ugadi, Yugadi, and one is Gudi Padwa. Because I, being a Maharashtrian, and as a child, I would be surprised. वो एक लोटा रहता है, उसको उल्टा on one stick, it is वो ऐसे रखते हैं, and उसको नहीं जैसे एक कुछ बांधते हैं, something sort of a sari sort of a thing that is tried, and then you are too young, and if you ask anything, shh, when we were children, अभी I am not talking of generation Z, X भी गया, Y भी गया, अभी Z में आ गया है. So I am not talking of the present generation, I am talking of a story of early 70s. So you know, ये क्यों ऐसे, ये लोटे में तो पानी ऐसा पीते हैं ना, ये लोटे को उल्टा क्यों रखा है, लेकिन पूछना नहीं है. That was that was the environment at that point of time, right? And now I was just reading through, it is called as Vijay Dhwaj. So now the question which arises in my mind, किसके ऊपर विजय? Victory on what? It's a flag of victory. आजकल ध्वज वज शब्द भी बोलो तो बच्चों को मालूम नहीं होता है. So it is a flag of victory. So it is symbolizing victory. But victory of what? What war took place? You know, victory when you are saying, then you are talking of something called a war. So what sort of a war was there? You know, all these things come into our mind. Now, and there is a very interesting story. I like the story that, you know, Brahma, Vedas are shown in the hands of Brahma, right? And there was one Asura. And, you know, he stole away the Vedas from Brahma. And, you know, he went deep down into the oceans. So that's what, I don't know that one, but he went deep down into the ocean. And then it is Vishnu. You know, because Vishnu तो समुद्र में ही है, तो समुद्र तो उनका अपना स्थान है. So then Vishnu went behind him and then fought him, killed him, and he brought back the Vedas and gave it to Brahma. And then in the Vedas, it is written the creation of the world. And from those Vedas, then Brahma created the world, is what one story goes. Now, you know, how to understand this? So, Yugadi is saying it's a beginning of a new era. When I say new era, it means it's totally everything new. Not simply season. Era mana sab new. Everything is new. Whatever is in the past is not there now. It will change. It means everything will change. Everything means what? आप बताओ क्या क्या change? Newness in nature. हाँ, नया साल ठीक है, नया साल इस कैलेंडर. ओके, नया साल न्यूमेरिकल में आ जाएगा, कैलेंडर में आएगा. बट व्हेन यू आर सेइंग युगादि, नया युग मीन्स व्हाट? Only the calendar may change. Like, you know, we celebrated 2024, January 1st, New Year. Then also we said New Year. Happy New Year, we said, okay. Then we will say, okay, नहीं, वो Christians का है, ठीक है. वो भी celebrate किया, बहुत अच्छा. अभी हिंदुओं का है, ये भी celebrate करेंगे. सब अच्छा ही है. Why shouldn't we celebrate? अच्छा, but what is the meaning of newness? That is what I would like to ask. Simply change of dates. अच्छा, बर्थडे भी हो जाता है, we say happy birthday. अब वो कितना हैप्पीनेस है. Today somebody showed me, one of our young sisters. Sister, nowadays instead of cutting cake, people are cutting fruits, organic fruits. I said, अरे बड़ा brilliant idea है. क्योंकि फ्रूट ज़्यादा खाना चाहिए. ये केक वेक में तो मैदा वैदा होता है, सो नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ. अच्छा है आप फ्रूट कट करके खाओ. Why not? See, it is we who are doing all these things, right? Somebody starts and then we keep following. So much we follow that it becomes, we get stuck in that. And that dare not anybody do different from that. That becomes a ritual. Ritual is necessary. But with every ritual, unless that spiritual awakening or spiritual contact or mental contact is not there, then the ritual becomes a waste. Like sometimes, when your children, let us say you are out and you say, बेटा मैं आने तक इतना पढ़ लेना. अब आप जाने के बाद वो पढ़ता है या क्या देखता है वो आपको क्या मालूम. जैसे ही गाड़ी अंदर आ रही है उसका रिचुअल स्टार्ट हो जाता है. एंड यू वेरी वेल नो कि ये पढ़ नहीं रहा है, ये सिर्फ क्या कर रहा है, एक्टिंग कर रहा है, उसके दिमाग में भेजे में कुछ भी नहीं गया है. सो दैट इज द सॉर्ट ऑफ रिचुअल विच वी आर ऑल्सो डूइंग. कैन आई से दैट? नहीं, बिकॉज वन थिंग इज टाइम, एनवायरमेंट, किसको पूछे क्या पूछे समझ में नहीं आता है. ठीक है, ओके, लाइफ इज गोइंग ऑन, वी आर गोइंग ऑन. लकी यू आर ऑल कम हियर. So when you day after tomorrow you should be doing the real celebration. अच्छा, so newness, क्या newness लाना है? newness कहाँ लाना है बताइए? newness is newness in clothes. ना, वो सारा नेचर में हो रहा है. हमारे में newness बताओ. Change in our sanskaras. Okay, very nice. And change in our thoughts towards new. New means we can bring negative thoughts also, right? But when we say thoughts, positive thoughts, that is the seed. That is the seed, is it not? And when I was going through towards Assam and all that, Bihu is the name of the festival. And when they do that festival, from that they start the season of again putting seeds into the soil, the farming. It starts. It's the whole atmosphere is now nice, and again farming starts. So seeds are sown. Now we have to ask to ourselves, seeds. There is one more seed which all of us sow all the time. कौन सा सीड है? विचारों का. Seed of karma. Is it not? Seed of karma is sown by us. We are all the time sowing that seed. So the festival is telling that it's a whole year, 365 days hai. So better whatever seeds you sow, you better be very very careful what seeds you are sowing. भैया थोड़ा AC बढ़ा सकते हैं क्या? बहुत गर्मी लग रही है. आपको गर्मी लग रही है या यू आर फाइन? ओके, डोंट सिट रिचुअलिस्टिकली. मेरे को गर्मी लग रही है यहाँ. So and sometimes that happens also. Sometimes what happens, we are conducting a session also, but you are not able to hear properly at the back. बेचारे वैसे ही बैठे रहेंगे. Who should stand up and say, so इतना नहीं कुछ not. So at the end what happened? ठीक से सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था रे, पूरी कहानी होने के बाद. अच्छा, okay. So what seeds? So what karma should I be doing so that I have fruits of that karma for the whole of the, not only next year. Now when we are talking spiritual, we will talk of janmas. Is it not? Births and births together. I should have a whole lot of punya karma. Because that's the only thing which will go with me. Punya karma, pap karma is what is going to go with me. Nothing else is going to go with me. कोई इंडस्ट्री, फैक्ट्री, ऑफिस, ये वो, बैंक अकाउंट, ज्वेलरी, will anything go with me? Only the karma is going to go with me. So Yugadi is saying that see, it's the beginning of the season. Na? And the beauty is when you sow seeds in that particular season, what happens? See, now is the season for we get ripened mangoes, right? But the seeds were sown, or somebody was telling me, we have one of the brothers, he was saying they have a farm and nearly 120 mango trees, and they're giving away the raw mangoes. I said, why are you giving away the raw mangoes? He said, till 7 years. It takes nearly 7 years for the whole thing to get set and all that. Only after that they take the whatever mangoes are coming, then they go for selling it. Till then they only distribute it to friends and families and all that. Then I realized, अच्छा, this could be also that people should not keep thinking, वो पहले अपने family friends का पेट भर देते हैं, भाई खा ले अच्छे से, नहीं तो सोचेंगे हमको नहीं दे रहा है, बाहर बेच रहा है. Again that negative vibration will come, is it not? So initially they see to it that, and that has been made as a ritual, say. But ठीक है, पहले satisfy your people and again then later you go into it as a business and make money of it, so that that bad omen बोलते हैं ना, बुरी नज़र से अपने आप को बचाना है. Okay, so what was I saying, that what punya karma or pap karma, the seed of that is sown now. So Yugadi or Ugadi is saying that this is the time when you have to sow the seeds of your karma. Now how to understand what is punya karma or what is papa karma? It's a very, very tricky thing, very tricky, very tricky. Why? It is all in context. Now I'll give one small example. Let us say, somebody I call as freedom fighters. Let us say our movement, Indian independence movement. Okay, so Britishers called our revolutionaries, all those who fought for the country, as terrorists. What did we call them? Swatantrata Senani. And they are patriotic. So, the same act, how it is looked upon. Everybody defines it in their own ways. Okay. And then finally, what happened? Okay, we got the independence. Now let us say there was this patriotic person who, for the country they were fighting, the Congress was fighting, we called them Congressy at that time. Everybody was a Congressy. Now don't connect it with the present, that one. Okay, then I will fall in trouble. So, let us say, see how things have changed, na? Things have changed so much, so we have to be very careful. So, let us say he's running and then he comes, please save me, the police is behind me. And let us say, okay, you say, okay, hide, mere ghar mein chup jao. And then the police wala comes, kahan hai, udhar gaya. So, the karma which you have done is the right karma or the wrong karma. So, have you lied? क्योंकि झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए ना, तो क्या झूठ बोला, उसको झूठ कहेंगे? Then we will say, no, it is for a higher cause. It is for a higher cause. It is for the betterment of the country as such. So in that context, that becomes a punya karma. But again, for some sort of a selfish desire, let us say, I say, no, this is not, okay, this is not there with me or something, somebody's purse falls and I take away the purse. He comes and asks me, madam, aap purse dekhe kya yahan par? Nahi bhaiya, kuch bhi nahi dekha. Then what I do with that money, I'll buy something and let us say whatever. So that becomes a pap karma because I had been selfish over there, right? So I'm just giving a very, very superficial that one. So we have to understand what is punya karma, what is pap karma, and we have to sow the seeds at this point of time, and who will give the knowledge who will guide us all the time, telling us about the punya karma and the papa karma. And that is being told in the Gita. Gita, all the time Sri Krishna is telling to Arjuna, because Arjuna fears. He says, mere hi parivar wale hai and you are asking them to kill them. So killing my own family people. So then I will have a lot of mere upar bahut paap chadhega. Then, Krishna is telling him, is dictating him. So, we need somebody who will guide us. And that one who guides us, we will call him the Guru. No? Who will give us the guidance that you have to go like this, you have to go like this. And so, in the Brahma Kumaris, now this time in the history, we say is the most powerful times we are passing through. Isn't it? Now just look at all the world events, I would say. Okay, not only the vicinity of your house and neighborhood and gated community तक नहीं रखो दिमाग. ये gated community उसमें रह करके हाँ we feel अच्छा ठीक है, everything is fine. Sometimes we feel maybe we are fooling ourselves. नहीं everything is so fine, गार्डन है, ये है, वो है, वहाँ तो गार्डन है, बाहर कहाँ ग्रीनरी, ग्रीन ब्लैंकेट ही नहीं है. पूरे अर्थ के ऊपर ओज़ोन में होल्स हो गए हैं और आपका गार्डन. आई एम हैप्पी विथ माई ओन स्मॉल गार्डन. सो मेक योर माइंड अ बिग, एनलार्ज, थोड़ा सा उसको बड़ा बनाएंगे दिमाग को, विशाल. ओके, एंड इन दैट कॉन्टेक्स्ट इफ यू जस्ट लुक एट द होल वर्ल्ड सिनारियो, इंडिया सिनारियो, वर्ल्ड सिनारियो, look at the political situation, look at it religion wise, look at it financial wise. फाइनेंशियल वाइज तो मेरे को बहुत डर लगता. बैंक वाला फ़ोन करता है, मैडम क्रेडिट कार्ड ले लो. इन ब्रह्मा कुमारीज वी हैव दिस कॉन्सेप्ट कि लोन लेना ही नहीं है तो करो, नहीं है तो शांति से बैठो, क्या प्रॉब्लम है. कर्ज, ओल्ड एज सेइंग आई एम टेलिंग, कर्ज मर्ज है. मर्ज मीन्स बीमारी. एंड ये जो EMI का कॉन्सेप्ट है, एंड मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आता है कि अच्छा लो और तेरे पास पैसा नहीं, उसके पास पैसा नहीं, उसके पास पैसा नहीं, फिर फाइनली वन डे व्हाट विल हैपन. इज इट नॉट? यू आर ट्राइंग टू रोटेट. Slowly, I am not able to give, you are not able to give. Dhire, it will, if you take the cumulative effect of all that, where are we actually going? Is it not? No? When the bubble will burst, we are not sure. Okay? So, look at the situations. कैसी दुनिया चल रही है. अच्छा, health कैसे चल रहे हैं. In 30s, people are having health problem. जस्ट गो बैक 50-60 ईयर्स बैक. अभी जो भी आपके घर में एल्डर्स होंगे ना, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, उनकी तबीयत हमारी तबीयत से अच्छी है. हमको 35 की एज में BP आता है, उनको 65 की एज में आता है. सो वेयर आर वी एक्चुअली गोइंग? विल वी कॉल दिस एज डेवलपमेंट? इसको विकास कहेंगे क्या? Or are we going towards deterioration? Are we going towards development or towards deterioration? What does your mind say? छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ बहुत हो गई है ना. जैसे हैदराबाद में फ्लाईओवर्स आ गए हैं, मेट्रो आ गया है. कितना भी मेट्रो आने दो, ट्रैफिक कोई कम हुई है. अच्छा, गाड़ियाँ बढ़ गई है. नाउ लाइफस्टाइल कैसी हो गई है. हस्बैंड सेज योर कार, आई विल से, द वाइफ सेज माई कार, ही विल से हिज कार, देन दे विल हैव देयर टुगेदर वन कार बच्चों के साथ. फिर वो बच्चे बड़े हो गए तो उनकी भी कार. तो पहले एक कार में पूरे फैमिली मेंबर्स जाते थे. Accommodate, adjust, sacrifice, you need all these values. You will say, नहीं मेरा ये टाइम पर जाना है, I have to go at this time. Okay, you have to go at that time. पेट्रोल का खर्चा कौन कर रहा है, कितना कर रहा है? अर्लियर 5 लोगों में 1 लीटर का पेट्रोल का खर्चा होता था, तो अभी 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 5 लोग को छोड़ो, अच्छा ठीक, एटलीस्ट 2 लोग जो है एक ही टाइम निकल रहे हैं तो उतने ही डिस्टेंस के लिए 2 लीटर का खर्चा कर रहे हैं, 2 लीटर का खर्चा तो कर रहे हैं। ऐसी एक फैमिली नहीं, कितने फैमिलीज। अब गाड़ियां रोड पर कितनी है? पहले एक गाड़ी एक फैमिली की, अभी एक फैमिली की 2 गाड़ी। तो just look at the picture. So when you look at our whole world as one family, because we have this concept in our Bharat, na, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world is my family. Kutumbam, the whole world is my family, Kutumbam. Okay, so if the whole world is my family, let us accommodate one another ना। कहाँ accommodate कर सकते हैं आज एक दूसरे को? So what are we doing? We are killing the environment. बड़े शान से मैं गाड़ी चलाता, अरे तू चला रहा है, कितने दिन चलाएगा? कितने दिन चलाएगा? It is only for some time, but after that बैलगाड़ी चलाएगा। आज गाड़ी चला रहा है, शायद कल back to, somebody said, I think Einstein ने ही कहा था कि we may go back to the Stone Age. The way we are, living, the way we are not respecting the environment. ये festivals ये सब इसके लिए ही है भाई, environment को आप respect करो। पचड़ी में आपको you need that curry, raw mango, तो उसका झाड़ तो होना ना। कितने झाड़ चाहिए पचड़ी बनाने के लिए? टैमरिन का झाड़ होना, इतने सारे झाड़ है, झाड़ ही नहीं है। Where are trees now? Then फिर मार्केटिंग, दिस दैट, बिजनेस, ये वो बेचारा अन्नदाता, उसको तो उसके तक पैसा जाता ही नहीं है। So Yugadi, if you start looking in this context, na, a very social context, our festivals are so beautiful if you understand them in this whole scenario. So these festivals have been created that humanity always respects nature. Humanity should be aware of doing the good karma in spite of life like pachadi. Go with nature only. Go with nature only. No, what does pachadi have? All the tastes? No, I don't have to tell that, right? So that is why we make the pachadi. And so when you are drinking the pachadi, it is trying to say that life is going to have sourness, life is going to have sweetness, life is going to have all these things, but accept everything like you accept pachadi on one Yugadi day. Every day you should take pachadi. Why not? So life is bringing before us daily pachadi. But we question, no, why this, why that? Arey, sourness, sweetness, everything has to be there in life. When you watch a movie, कैसा होना चाहिए movie? सब रहता है ना उसमें. So God actually says that all of us together. Now look at this example which I am giving to you. God is saying, because He teaches us how you should conduct, how your acts should be. So in that He says that, okay, look at the whole world as one stage, like Shakespeare had said. And then what are all of us doing on this stage? क्या कर रहे हैं? एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, राइट? तो एक्टिंग में कोई हीरो की एक्टिंग करता है, कोई विलन की एक्टिंग करता है, व्हेन दे आर एक्टिंग. बट व्हेन द डायरेक्टर सेज कट, एक सीन चल रहा है, डिशुम डिशुम, ही डज नॉट लाइक, ही वांट्स द डिशुम टू बी मोर aggressive, he says cut, cut, cut. Both the villain and the hero, both will sit. बाजू बाजू बैठेंगे या अभी भी डिशुम डिशुम चालू रहेगा? नहीं, they will sit together. And villain says, अरे भाई चाय लाओ, 2 चाय लाओ. अरे अभी तक तो फाइट कर रहे थे, अभी चाय पी रहे हैं दोनों मिल करके. So are they fooling us? They are actually fooling us. And in our minds we are still thinking, नहीं, he should win, नहीं, ये हीरो जीतना चाहिए या विलन जीतना चाहिए. हमारे दिमाग अभी भी ड्रामा में ही अटके हुए हैं, उनका दिमाग तो ड्रामा से निकल गया है. और हमको उन्होंने अटका दिया है, इसलिए उसको नाटक कहा गया है, अटक जाते हैं हम। लेकिन नाटक मीन्स ना प्लस अटक, नाटक खेल बिना अटके हुए। आज सुबह हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ में कुछ तू मैं हो जाता है, ठीक है, अभी टाइम नहीं था, वो भी ऑफिस ये भी ऑफिस, इवनिंग वापस आने तक फिर अटको नहीं, वही फिगर नहीं, नाटक में था, मॉर्निंग ऐसा बोलना था, हो गया, चलो अभी वापस अच्छा बनना है, एक दूसरे के साथ अच्छा कनेक्शन रखना है, रिलेशन रखना है। So God is explaining to us that this whole world is a drama. In this drama you are acting. There also is a time when you are yourself. Is there any time in the drama when you are yourself? है कोई टाइम? नहीं है। आपका बचपन, when you are that small kid na, you are not aware what your role is. Do you know your role? मैं कौन, मैं क्या, मेरे को क्या करना है? Today everybody says, comes and says, what is my role? अरे क्या रोल? हाँ? And because we have become very role conscious na, that is why we have all these problems among us. Because we fear मेरा रोल कोई दूसरा न ले करके. The most relaxed time is the childhood, बचपन। माना आजकल तो उसको भी टाइम लेस कर देना पड़ता है, नहीं तो पहले 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 साल, 15 साल। I was explaining to the sister today, one sister, we were traveling together and I was showing the school in which I studied and how we used to come over a rail bridge. रेलवे ब्रिज होता है ना, उसके ऊपर से चढ़ करके घर के पास चढ़ते थे, फिर that was the shortest route. And she said, रेल ब्रिज के ऊपर से आते थे आप लोग? एक जमाना था डर ही नहीं था, कोई डर नहीं, किसी का डर नहीं था, सब लोग अच्छे थे, बच्चे जा रहे तो देखते थे, अच्छे थे। आजकल डर लगता बड़ों के साथ भी बच्चों को भेजने को, बहुत डर लगता है। सो देयर वॉज अ टाइम बहुत एज तक भी बच्चा ही थे, 15 ईयर्स के एज तक भी हम बच्चे ही थे। सो बच्चा मीन्स वॉट, ये जो रोल मैं क्या करना, वो कॉन्शियस नहीं, जस्ट एग्जिस्टेंस, नेचुरल। क्या करता बच्चा? ये देखो, वो देखो, पीछे एक है, उसको मालूम भी नहीं क्या चल रहा है, वो हैप्पीली उधर जा रहा, इधर जा रहा, मम्मी को देख रहा, ये कर रहा, वो कर रहा, उसके पास कोई एजेंडा नहीं है, बट ही इज द हैप्पीएस्ट। हाँ, ही नोज एंजॉइंग द लाइफ, ही शी। हमको एजेंडा होना, रोज मॉर्निंग उठते ही एजेंडा, दिस टू डू लिस्ट। हम लाइफ को कैसे बना दिए हैं देखो, इज इट नॉट? सो ये टू डू लिस्ट एंड वाई वी ऑलवेज वांट टू होल्ड ऑन टू आवर रोल। अरे कभी तो एक्ट को छोड़ करके, एक्टर पने को छोड़ करके एक नॉर्मल बन जाओ ना। हु इज दैट नॉर्मल पार्ट ऑफ यू? दैट इज योर सोल। सी, द सोल plays the role. Got it? ये क्या है? ये सब, what is all this? This is you? This is you? Then we start करें, नहीं मेरा नाक ना अच्छा नहीं है, इसकी प्लास्टिक सर्जरी करा लेता। अरे काय का? This is you? This is you? This is you? What do you say to this body? I body. You call this I body? My body. My body means you are not the body ना? Are you the body? नहीं, मेरी हाइट कम है, मेरी हाइट ज़्यादा है, मैं फेयर हूँ, मैं काला हूँ, ये बॉडी शेमिंग। AI वाले लोग और बॉडी शेमिंग करते हैं। क्या घटिया लोग हैं। वो कौन से दुनिया के लोग हैं? स्टोन एज के लोग भी नहीं है ऐसे, जो simply because of the color of the body, apartheid. When I was in my college itself, I used to feel school, long back, South Africa, black and white में हम फंसे, color of the skin, कोई बात है फंसने की? And because of that you disrespect a whole community and don't give so many rights to them and call them as slaves. कौन से जमाने के लोग हैं हम? एंड इट स्टिल कंटिन्यूज. रेसिज्म इज स्टिल देयर. सो मेनी थिंग्स आर स्टिल देयर. एंड देन वी आर सेइंग AI AI AI. पहले खुद को ठीक करो, खुद को अच्छा बनाओ. So the first thing, Yugadi, newness. Detach yourself from the identity of this body. Because you are not body. There is a whole industry, cosmetic industry, यहाँ से लेकर के. My God, I am a bit backward. Nowadays I feel very backward. Because while going to one of the, some places सेवा के लिए जाते हैं, and I was just looking, nail saloon. है भगवान, I said इसका भी निकला है क्या? इसके लिए ये इसके लिए कहाँ फंस रहे हैं हम? क्यों फंस रहे हैं? फिर पैसा भी चाहिए. आई थिंक 500 रुपये तो लेता होगा. यहाँ कुछ ड्राइंग वाइंग करना है तो उसको फिर वो 500 कमाने के लिए परेशान. हाँ, ये दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस प्रोटेक्शन. ये आपके प्रोटेक्शन के लिए है. उसका रोल इससे ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है. बट इफ यू आर कॉन्शियस ओनली ऑफ द एक्टर, not the soul, then we get into all sorts of troubles, and there is a whole society which is going to play on all these things. ना वो रहता है ना, इन हिंदी we call वो बंदर को ऐसे ऐसे ये करता देखो. हाँ, मदारी नचा रहा है और हम नाच रहे हैं. Who creates ये सोसाइटी के स्टैंडर्ड्स क्रिएट करने वाला कौन है? You and me ना, ऑलमाइटी गॉड ना. वो बोल रहा है क्या नेल का ऐसा करो करके? What Almighty God is teaches, I will tell you now. Almighty God is saying you are not at all nails, you are not at all hair. अरे क्या हो गया, सफेद बाल हो गए तो? एक्ट है. एक्ट करने में आपको देखो, वो बेचारे को, एक्टर को, उसको सफेद बाल करना पड़ता है. है ना. समटाइम्स इसे अच्छा नहीं किया है, नेचुरल नहीं लग रहा है करके वी से दैट. अब हम कितने नेचुरल है देखो. हाँ, सो समटाइम्स पीपल से टू अस, हमारे पास ही आने वाले, सिस्टर सब अच्छा है, आप थोड़ा ऐसा कर लो ना. ऐसे भाई क्या जरूरत है, कितना अच्छा है, जो है जैसे है अच्छे. एंड हर जगह जो है बहुत क्या कहते हैं उसको, बहुत रेस्पेक्ट भी मिलता है. लेट मी टेल यू, एनीवेयर यू गो यू आर सो रेस्पेक्टफुली रिसीव्ड एंड ऑल दैट. अच्छा है ना. एंड जो चीज़ जैसी है जब है ठीक है. ओके, सो लेट मी कम बैक अगेन to this topic itself. Okay, so the first thing we have to understand, Yugadi, new beginning ना. न्यू क्या है? न्यू थॉट, यू वर सेइंग ना, थॉट में न्यूनेस लाना है. क्या फर्स्ट न्यूनेस लाना है? द फर्स्ट न्यूनेस वी नीड टू ब्रिंग विद इन आवर सेल्स इज आई एम सोल, नॉट द रोल दैट आई एम प्लेइंग. एंड वी आर ऑल कॉट इन रोल. मेरे को प्रमोशन नहीं मिला, उसको मिल गया, ये रोल है ना. इसमें हम फंसे हुए हैं. प्रमोशन क्यों चाहिए? पैसा आता है. पैसा क्यों चाहिए? ये सब चीजों के ऊपर खर्चा करने के लिए. सच में सोचो, कितने चीजें नेसेसरी है, नेसेसरी खर्चे कितने हैं, एंड डिजायर से, इच्छा वाले खर्चे कितने हैं. समझ में आता है ना. नेसेसिटीज एंड डिजायर्स का तो कोई एंड ही नहीं है. इज देयर एनी एंड ऑफ डिजायर्स? नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई ऑलवेज द फीलिंग इज देयर, मनी इज लेस. अरे बच्चे को आप अच्छे संस्कार घर में दो. जरूरी नहीं है इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में ही डालना है. संस्कार कहाँ मिलते ज्यादा, है ना. देयर आर टीचर्स हु कम टू अस ऑल्सो एंड दे से, सिस्टर ये क्या है, पेरेंट्स आजकल दे राइटफुली एंड वेरी डिमांडिंगली से टू अस दैट इट इज फॉर यू टू डू विथ आवर चिल्ड्रन, वी आर पेइंग फॉर दैट. अरे माँ बाप क्या कर रहे हैं? टाइम ही नहीं है, कमाने में बिजी है. सच अ विशियस सर्कल, नहीं, सच अ विशियस सर्कल. वी से वी आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग फॉर आवर चिल्ड्रन, एंड बच्चों के साथ टाइम ही नहीं है स्पेंड करने के लिए. एंड क्या कर देते हैं, आई हैव सीन, क्या करते हैं, बच्चे को तंग नहीं करना इसलिए वो दे देते हैं, ये ले खेल, क्या आपका मोबाइल? उसकी आदत उसको डालने वाले कौन? हम 19 पहले बच्चे पले नहीं या बड़े नहीं हुए, विदाउट मोबाइल की दुनिया थी या नहीं थी? अरे कैलकुलेटर तो छोड़ी, तो वो तो बहुत ये बात है, तो विदाउट मोबाइल की दुनिया थी ना। तब भी बच्चे बड़े हुए, पले, पेरेंट्स तब भी नौकरियां करते थे, दोनों भी करते थे दैट टाइम ऑल्सो। अब क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया है? अब पेरेंटिंग की क्लासेस करानी पड़ती है ना। वाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द थॉट प्रोसेसेस। नयापन लाना है, ये नया नहीं है। सीनियर होम, आजकल थोड़ा नाम चेंज कर रहे हैं, इट्स ओल्ड वाइन इन द न्यू बॉटल, बस चीज वही है। ओल्ड एज होम है वही चीज, लेकिन उसको नाम देंगे सीनियर होम या पता नहीं और कोई अच्छा नाम देंगे, ऐसा नाम देंगे, चीज तो वही है। वाई आर वी नॉट एबल टू अकोमोडेट टू मोर पीपल, आवर ओन क्रिएटर्स? हमको जन्म देने वाले जन्मदाता को ही हम अकोमोडेट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। कहाँ गई हमारी सोच? कहाँ है हमारी संस्कृति, भारतीय संस्कृति? इज दिस भारतीय संस्कृति ना? Then Yugadi actually means, see, Yugadi, when we are saying the whole Kala Chakra is a circle. It's circle, na? So in that circle, we are somewhere with time lost our own original ancient spiritual culture. Rituals continued, spiritual reh gaya. And that is why, we have all these differences. Now is a time again, and this time, what we call, ye dikha dena, the time through which we are passing now, where the whole world is distressed, I will say. Distressed. We are in the ashram. I will tell you how many depression के cases आते हैं. सीधा आकर के कहते, सिस्टर आई एम डिप्रेस्ड. कोई ओल्ड एज वाले नहीं, 20s, 30s, 40s. And again, I am sorry, single mothers, divorcee, men, women, this is the crowd which is coming nowadays. क्या हो गया है? Our Indian family system is the strength of our culture. कहाँ गया वो culture? Is this AI? I am sorry, because AI के ऊपर आजकल बहुत हो रहा है. So is this AI? Single parent, बड़ा single parent. ठीक है. Why are we not able to accommodate? Why are we not able to adjust? Why are we not able to sacrifice for one another? And then we create something, a sibling, एक छोटी सा. क्या उसको साइकोलॉजिकली होता होगा? ठीक है, आप तो बड़े हैं, आप फाइट कर लो भाई. उसको जो हमने लाया है दुनिया में, उसके लिए we do these things. How are we justifying? Are we justifying what will happen to our next generations? How sound will they be? Because unless you are mentally sound, you cannot do things properly. If you are not mentally sound, if you have anything in your hand, only negative thoughts will come to you. Only violent, only negative, harassing, ऐसे विचार ही आप में आएंगे. So युगादि का मतलब है we have to bring a new era. दिखा रहे हो भैया? हाँ. So there is shown the Kali Yuga, right? That black part. And now is the height of Kali Yuga. Height of Kali Yuga? Height of Kali Yuga. अभी इससे ज़्यादा और कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है. We are in the lowest when it comes to civilization or civilized people. We means the whole humanity I am talking. The whole humanity is at its lowest. Are we civilized or are we criminalized? Are we behaving as civil people, civilians, or there is more criminality? घरों को वो सीसी कैमरे लगाने पड़ते हैं. लेडीज टैक्सी में जाते हैं तो पुलिस को बताओ जी, AI यूज करो जी. किसके लिए? सेफ्टी के लिए. कौन सी दुनिया बना रहे हैं हम? क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Where are we going? So the first thing which has to be overcome is this consciousness of the physical body as male or female. इसके ऊपर ही काम करना है. We have to work on overcoming all this sort of negative behavior जो चल रहा है ना दुनिया में. Lust. गीता says काम महाशत्रु है. We read it कंठस्थ, but we don't work on it. The greatest carnal desires, carnal it is called, the most lowest, that is the desire which is to be won. Only then things in the society will become better. Where your child is not safe, in the hands of your own people of the family, कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम, क्या कर रहे हैं हम? And we push all these questions under the carpet. Don't say, don't say, don't say. But it is the very sad and bitter reality of today's world. And this is where Brahma Kumaris are working most. That develop to have self-control. Lead a pure life, lotus-like life. Our purity is going to help the whole world. And let us all together establish. You see the Satyuga, the golden age over there? There's a saying, you know, I when I was in school, मेरे को बहुत नशा, मेरे को अभी भी goosebumps आते हैं उसके लिए. We used to sing that song, जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. I was in that singing, that one, the team in my class 9. I can still remember. जहाँ जहाँ पग पग पर धर्म का बसेरा है, सत्य का बसेरा है, जहाँ हल बालक कृष्ण है, हल बाला जो है वो राधा है, जहाँ घर पर ताले नहीं लगते थे, ये मेरा भारत था. आज भारत, वर्ल्ड, वॉट एवर, बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट सिंपली डिफ्रेंशिएट भारत. भारत के ऊपर दुनिया का प्रभाव, दुनिया के ऊपर भारत का प्रभाव, द होल वर्ल्ड, वसुधैव कुटुंबम. So the first thing, change we need to bring in ourselves is develop the beautiful consciousness that I actually am a soul, a beautiful soul, a shining star which doesn't have death. The soul is called eternal, immortal, indivisible. क्या beautiful qualities है देखो. In comparison to that, this body, what is this body? ये तो अभी तो कीड़े मकड़ों से भरी हुई है. एंड कुछ न कुछ खराबी है, कुट 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 करते ही रहता है ना. देखो थोड़े एज वाले बैठे हैं, अब उनका हेल्थ चार्ट पूछेंगे और थोड़े जो यंग है उनका हेल्थ चार्ट पूछेंगे, दोनों का इक्वल. उनको भी बीपी, हमको भी बीपी, उनको शुगर, हमको भी शुगर. Isn't this deterioration? Isn't this deterioration? Under the name of development, buildings बन गई, कारें आ गई, प्लेनों में उड़ रहे हैं, एंड फ्लाईओवर्स बन गए, मेट्रो आ गया, वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में जो आ गया वो फिजिकल थिंग्स आ गए. हम बहुत, वॉशिंग मशीन आ गई, वो आ गया, बस हम खुश. अरे एलेक्सा आ गया, अरे वाह क्या एलेक्सा आ गया, बटन भी करने की जरूरत नहीं हो गई. If you will not use, you will lose. If you will not use your muscles, you will lose them. If you will not use your intelligence, if you will all give it over to AIG, गए हम काम से. Is it not? So, in this time cycle, we are on the threshold of a huge change. Sister was telling, creation of a better world order. Better world order. Brahma doesn't, bring a new world. A new world doesn't mean new air, new water, something, because I am from the chemical engineering background. First fundamental physical chemistry, matter can neither be created nor destroyed. Then from where did Brahmaji create? Is it not? Only changes होते हैं. Energy is only change. So what did Brahmaji create at all? He did not create. He rearranged. Like, again I'll take small chemistry. No, the same carbon is in graphite, the same carbon is in diamond. But it's only the arrangement which is different. Only the arrangement. So Brahma ji actually helps us to rearrange our thoughts. Thoughts are not to be stopped. Without thoughts we cannot have invented all these things. Thoughts is not bad, but we want to stop bad thinking. So Yugadi means how should I create best thoughts? And best thoughts are all connected to soul consciousness. Carnal thoughts, bodily related thoughts. ना इसको corpse बोलते हैं ना, corpse. ये जब, when do you call it a corpse? When the soul is gone, when the light is gone. So without light, if you look at the body, you actually are looking at a corpse. शव. शिव को नहीं देख रहे हैं, शव को ही देख रहे हैं. शव बनकर जी रहे हैं. So Yugadi says, bring this newness. Newness in you. First thing, let us learn that I actually am the ruler of the indriyas, senses. I am not the slave of the senses. Now all the problems in the world is because we are slave to the senses. Sensual pleasures, senses के pleasures में खोए हुए हैं. Which actually is going to lead to you to where? Initially जैसे ना आप बोतल को पीते हो, थोड़े दिनों के बाद बोतल आपको पीना शुरू कर देती है. पहले आप सिगरेट स्मोक करते हो 2 इंच वाली, फिर ये 5.5 फीट के इंसान को 2 इंच की सिगरेट कंट्रोल करने लगती है. फिर उसके लिए पैसा चाहिए, फिर ऑल द थिंग्स फॉलो ना. सो ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, ब्रह्मा जी, ब्रह्मा कुमार, ब्रह्मा कुमारिया, द ब्रह्मा is actually teaching us that from the consciousness of the body. He does not say that don't take care of the body. Body is a beautiful instrument. As an instrument, it is the best. But don't make it your master. Don't make it your master. Because you are tall, you are thin, your color is black or white or yellow or something, your hair is something and something and something. वो हम आपको control ना करे ना. Should it control your self-esteem, self-respect? And make you feel, मैं तो अच्छा ही नहीं हूँ. And such children come to me. I feel so sad. So sad. And हम भी easily we say all these things. And थोड़ा अपना को इंडिया में, I am sorry, but बच्चों को brought up करने में भी so easily, before the child only we are saying. नहीं, a grandmother brings her twins. बहन जी ये ना बहुत एक्टिव है, ये डल है. आपको बोले, आप हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ मेरे सामने आके आपके मदर या फादर, नहीं मेरा बेटा जो है ना बहुत ऐसा है और मेरी जो उसकी जो वाइफ है वो ऐसी है, विल वी फील नाइस? बच्चों के सामने ही बोल देते, ये डल है, ये अच्छा है, ये एक्टिव है. ऐसे माता जी, देन आई सेड ओके बच्चे खेलो. आई गेव हर अ लेसन सेइंग दिस इज नॉट द वे यू शुड बी सेइंग. बच्चे हैं ना, बच्चों को फीलिंग्स नहीं है. बच्चे फीलिंग एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते हैं. एंड इट ऑल गेट्स लॉक्ड इनसाइड, goes deep into the subconscious and then it comes out later. Then you say, पता नहीं मैंने उसको इतना प्यार दिया फिर भी ये मेरे से दूर दूर रहता है. आपने उसको क्या क्या दिया आप देखो एक बार. So we have to be very conscious. You know, Yugadi means bringing that newness. So please let us work on bringing newness in our thoughts, bringing newness in the way we are thinking about ourselves, and keep the society before you. Let us not live like frog in the well. नहीं मैं अच्छा हूँ. Let us not, sometimes I feel, let us not fool ourselves. Let us be aware. We should be so much aware. Why there is badness in the world is because goodness is passive. A police officer told me, sister, only 1% in the country may be criminals, but others are all passive. Goodness is passive. बाजू के फ्लैट में कुछ हुआ, होने दो, हमको क्या करना है. हाँ, जब तक हमको नहीं हुआ तब. Earlier the whole village would be together for anything. Whole village, गांव की बेटी, अभी काय की उसकी बेटी है, हाँ वो होगी ऐसी. कितना नेगेटिव सोचते हैं, कितना नेगेटिव सोचते हैं. So let us bring a new world order where our children are safe, we are safe, our health is good, and the environment is very nice. No? These are the things we should be trying for. That is the real Ugadi, and in the process you will have to eat lot of pachadi. Because Brahma Kumari is in the establishment, and even till now we eat lot of pachadi. And nowadays, because of the YouTube and all that, there are some people, who are taking something from somewhere, because there will be people who are, not satisfied. See, in an organization which is 88 years old, will you not get some characters who are not satisfied? In any organization, see, if you are a group leader in your own organization, a small unit of 10 people, even in that you will get people who are not satisfied. Arey, mera boss ya mera group leader aisa hai, waisa hai. So, the people go to them, collect their thoughts, and they are putting on the YouTube. And then, it is spreading wildfire. Negativity spreads very fast because only bad news is news. अब ये टॉक का आप डालेंगे तो कोई सुनने वाला है क्या? कोई व्यूज नहीं मिलेंगे इसको. Is it not? So then don't get, क्या बोलना, distracted by such videos also, because such are all going. We are trying our best, working with the police and trying to do whatever necessary things are there to remove them from the that YouTube and all that. So that process is going on, but good always will have some pachadi to be eaten, is it not? So let us understand, okay, and let us all together bring a new world order. That is what is called as the Satya Yuga, the golden age, the heaven which is mentioned in our scriptures. स्वर्ग मरने के बाद नहीं, जिंदा रह के लाना है. So thank you all of you. Om Shanti. So when you are seated, just try to gather your thoughts. I can help you in guiding your thoughts to bring a change in ourselves. Let us take up one thought. Let us rearrange our thoughts. And let us give importance to the enlightened soul that is within us. Make the body as the best friend. Because only the body instrument is going to put all our positive thoughts in action. Let us not forget, I, the soul, am the master of the body. I, the soul, am beautiful. I, the soul, am child of God. As a soul, I have the highest self-respect. Let us not make ourselves come down below this respect. Let us bring newness in our consciousness. And let us all create new consciousness and a new society where spiritual and ritual is balanced. Let us begin Yugadi. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.